Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue where your iPhone apps are not being downloaded. So if you're having this trouble where the iPhone apps are not being downloaded on your iPhone, then let me show you some things which you can do to fix this. So the first and the very easiest fix is to restart your device. So you can do this by holding the volume up and the power button here. Once you come to this screen, you can go ahead and power it off. Once it powers off, go ahead and power it back on. And then you want to go ahead and try if you can download those apps. Now, if that does not work, then the next step which you can do is to go into your App Store. Here you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the top right. Now scroll all the way down until you see sign out. Once you sign out, you want to go ahead and sign back in with your Apple account. And then you want to go ahead and try downloading apps from your App Store. Now, if that does not work, then there are some other things which you can do. The next thing which you need to do is you need to check if you have internet connection. So here you need to make sure you're not on airplane mode, and you need to make sure you're able to browse the internet. So here I'll go ahead and go to the BBC website. And this basically proves that I have internet. Now, once you know internet is there, you want to go ahead and check your App Store. Now, if that does not work, there are a few things which you can check in settings in order to make this work. So the very first thing is to look into your screen time settings. So here I'll go into settings. Next, I'll scroll down until I see screen time. Then I'll scroll down again until you see content and privacy restrictions. Here you want to go ahead and tap on Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on Apps. And here you want to make sure the tick is either on 12 plus or 17 plus. If the tick is on don't allow 4 plus or 9 plus, then you'll have trouble downloading apps. So here you need to make sure they're either on 12 plus or 17 plus. Now the next thing which you need to check is in your content privacy restrictions, you need to make sure allowed apps and features, all of these apps have been toggled to the right hand side. If you toggle it to the left hand side, then you will have trouble downloading apps on your phone. And there you go guys, those are some of the steps which you can check if your iPhone apps are not downloading on your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.